Hello and a warm welcome to Prior's Gardens. I'm here today to show you number 15. So my name is Gary, I'm from WhiteKnights of course. If anyone has any questions about this property, then you can call me, numbers on the website, and hopefully I'll be able to help. So what we have here is a 4-bedroom detached, one of the larger designs in Prior's Gardens, with 3 bathrooms, and you'll see really good sized accommodation. I think the real feature of this property is the location. That's why I'm just standing back from the house at the moment. Let's just show you the location of this property, right at the end of a cul-de-sac, with this lovely green with the oak tree in front. The house directly overlooks the green, so let's make our way down here towards the house, and just pointing out the driveway on the right hand side here. Double length drive, plus of course the garage, as you can see. Nice bay window on the front, quite an attractive house. Let's take you inside and let's give you a tour of the property itself. So through the front door. So before we actually wander around the house, just pointing out that the location of this house obviously is very nice out the front, but also it's very convenient because we're within a short walk of Spencer's Wood shops, where you've got let me see, you've got a chemist, you've got a baker's, post office, a couple of small mini markets, pub, you know, at local park just up the road here. Really convenient location if you have children. So let's now focus on the house. So we're in the hallway, just pointing out here the stairs, they take you up to a galleried landing. Let me just wander over here and turn around just to show you the front door, which we've just come through. Nice big hallway, whilst you've got a floor plan layout to look at, let me just point out we've got a lounge on the right there. We've got the WC on the left, which I'll show you first in just a moment. Door on the left here takes you into the family room, and then ahead of us into the kitchen diner. So let's just show you the downstairs WC just to start. Obviously it's quite a new house, this one, so very modern facilities, low level WC there. There's the wash basin on the right, nice tiling and flooring. We've got a window there. Very often in bathrooms and cloakrooms you will not have a window and you'll just have an extractor fan. But with this property, all of the bathrooms and WC downstairs have windows as well as extractor fans. So best of both. So let's look at the lounge. So this goes front to back, so it's dual aspect. First of all, you can see to the rear there, we've got French doors onto the patio and garden. But just panning round to the right, you'll see we have a very nice bay window. And from that bay window, we have the view across the green out the front. Let me just show you that. Hopefully you can see through these shutters, just to get an idea of the outlook. Very, very pleasant. So just panning round, showing you the lounge in full from this angle. Very nice sized lounge. All the measurements are on the floor plan, of course. So through to the other side here. So this is at the front of the house as well. This is the family room. Could be a sort of children's playroom. It's a dual aspect room actually. There's the front window plus a side window. Third reception rooms are often studies, but I think as a study this would be rather a large one, as you can see. So really it's yeah, a TV room, family room, that's what this is. One of those rooms that you could almost use for anything, potentially even a ground floor bedroom maybe. So now into what I think is certainly one of the features of this house. It's the kitchen dining room, really good size. Let's focus on the dining area to start with. So we have a rear aspect window, and also to the side there, French doors onto the patio. As you can see, we've got quite a big table there. In fact, positioning of the table there is one way, but if you wanted to go across the room, equally, anyway, whichever. So really good dining area. And then onto the kitchen. So what we have here are quartz work surfaces, like an L-shaped island unit, as you can see. Starting on the left here, we've got an integrated fridge freezer, You can see the sink there. Underneath the sink we've got an integrated dishwasher and quite a nice touch, 2 full-sized ovens with a 5-ringed gas hob and a hood above. And if I just step to the left here and pan round, you can see the island unit, an L-shaped island unit with more units and drawers underneath. And then eye-level units across there. Now the observant ones of you might have spotted I haven't mentioned a washing machine. Well, that's because if I just turn around, the washing machine is in fact in the utility room, which is through this door here. So you can see we have a sink unit with hot and cold water, washing machine space, in fact tumble dryer space as well. Again, a window in the utility room there. I'm just going to look to the right because often you'll see a big understairs storage cupboard with these houses. Well, this is the understairs area. It's open, so easy access and fantastic storage. So that's the utility room and the kitchen diner. So that's the ground floor of this property. Let me now take you upstairs. So we're on the landing. As I mentioned earlier, it's a galleried landing, and as you can see, a really good sized landing as well. Literally a sort of wraparound banister and spindles, giving you access to all of the bedrooms. On the landing here, if I just look to the left, there we have a built-in airing cupboard, the left-hand door there. So the door ahead of us takes you into the master bedroom, and the door there takes you into, I think, probably bedroom 3. Now, at the owner's request, they've actually asked that we don't show those 2 rooms on the video, but happy to show you the other rooms. So firstly, the master bedroom has an ensuite shower. The 3rd bedroom is a double room. This one through here is the 2nd bedroom. As you can see, we have a double bed in situ. Front aspect window. Just pointing out on the left hand side here, full height, wall-to-wall range of wardrobes with the sliding mirror doors. And if I just walk into the room, pan around to the right, little study area there. But of course we have an ensuite on this bedroom as well. So this is the 2nd ensuite. The main bedroom ensuite is finished very similar, with both of them have a really good sized shower cubicle, as you can see, and the low level WC and the wash basin on the left, and the window there as well. Heated towel rail, you can see the towels there on the heated towel rail. So this is the 2nd bedroom with the ensuite. And then this room here is the 4th bedroom, which as a 4th bedroom is a really good size. As you can see, it's more of a gym at the moment, but hopefully the image will show you that a double bed would fit in this room very comfortably. Genuinely 4 double bedrooms, this house. Rear aspect window there. And then we have the family bathrooms. This is the 3rd bathroom upstairs. Now this one actually has a bath. The other 2 have showers. As you can see, the panelled bath there. This one does have a shower over the bath. You can see the glass shower screen, hopefully. Yes, you should be able to see it. The low level WC, and then the wash basin there. On the left hand side here, heated towel rail. So that is the 1st floor of this property. Let's now take you into the garden. So the first view is the rear of the house. As you can see, it's an L-shaped house. Really good sized family home. This is one of the larger designs in Prior's Gardens. So it has a garage on the left hand side here. There's a door taking you straight into the garage. And if I just pan around to the right, we have a sort of, let's wander over there. We have a sort of second area, stoned area with raised vegetable beds. Obviously, if anyone wanted for the whole garden to be lawn, that wouldn't be too difficult to do. And the patio area, as you can see, we've got a table there with 7 chairs. So nice sized patio. And you can see the two sets of French doors, left-hand side into the lounge, and the one ahead of us is into the kitchen sort of diner. And yeah, that's the rear garden. It's quite a wide plot actually. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour. So if you have any questions, once again, my name is Gary. Do ask for me if you call the number on the website. It's the same telephone number to actually arrange a viewing of this house. So thank you very much for watching.